If you've been scrolling through weight loss videos lately, you've probably seen the Japanese pink salt recipe trick popping up everywhere. Some creators call it an ancient secret. Others claim it melts off 50 pounds in 2 weeks. But is it actually legit or just another scam? Let's break it down. So first, what is this so-called Japanese pink salt trick? It's literally just 1 teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt dissolved in warm water, taken first thing in the morning. That's it. No mystery herbs, no ancient scroll, just salty warm water that anyone can make at home for a few dollars. Now, here's where things split into two versions. Version 1 is the DIY method, the one people share on TikTok. Just buy a $5 bag of pink salt and drink the mixture daily. Simple, affordable, no branding needed. But then you have version 2, the commercial supplement trap. You might have seen products like Slim Jaro or similar bottles selling for $60 to $80 each. What are these companies doing? They take the same pink salt, add some random herbs, slap on buzzwords like ancient Japanese formula, and suddenly the price jumps by 3,000%. It's the same mineral profile, just dramatically inflated for profit. For this review, the creator tested the DIY version for a full week. The taste? Exactly what you would expect. Warm, mineral-y water. The results? No dramatic fat loss, no miracle transformation. But they did notice one thing: better hydration and reduced bloating, which makes sense because salt helps balance electrolytes. Useful, but not magical. Now, let's talk about the marketing hype, because this is where the red flags start waving. Ads promise insane results like 50 pounds in 14 days, show obviously fake before after photos, and even claim features on CNN that never happened. These are classic scam signals designed to push overpriced supplements. So what's the final verdict? The basic pink salt drink is harmless. And yes, it can help with hydration if your diet is low in minerals, but as a weight loss hack, it's totally bogus. And those expensive pink salt based supplements, a complete scam. Don't waste your money. If you want real results, stick to proven habits, not miracle drinks. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want me to review other viral weight loss tricks. See you in the next one.